Hey, look, the closet. Replacing this light fixture because it had some sort of stupid custom two-prong light bulb thing. I'd rather not have to find those light bulbs every time it needs to be replaced. I'm just going to put in a regular fixture. Anyhow, starts off easy enough. You got your red, black, and white and black, green ground. Pop up into the box here, and what on earth is going on? They've got at least two different strands of romex coming in. This one on the side looks like it was maybe cut. Look, it goes straight across the box. I'm sorry, I'm sure this video sucks. So they got a romex that was good, on either side of the box. I assume that's the same line that they just kind of cut and tapped into for some reason. But then coming out of the top of the box here is an entirely another line of romex, which they have all connected in here somehow. I don't understand what or why it's being done this way. Let's follow it back real quick, just from the existing fixture. Here's the white, and it's tied into this white. Okay, simple enough. And that's the one that's coming out of the top of the box. Following the black, back up off the fixture, black. It's spliced in here with the two white lines coming off that one that was going through the side of the box that they cut and spliced for some reason. I'm trying to wrap my head around this. I don't know. Obviously this turned off, but which one is that? I have no idea. I guess I'll give them a grab and see if one of these lines are live. Who knows? I mean, it just boggles my mind. I don't know what the heck somebody was thinking or doing. I'd kind of like to get this done, so if you got any ideas of how to proceed, because what I'm guessing here is I could simplify this, greatly, and just kind of forego one of these. I mean, I don't understand why this was cut at all. Like, maybe this one's dead, but in that case, why, or not hooked up or something, but I just don't understand why they would leave it hooked up like that. It's like they pulled one in after the fact. I don't know. And, they had this existing line going through the box. This looks like a homemade special that they, yeah, I mean, that's literally somebody just cut the hole through the side. Sorry. They just cut that in there to fish the line through. There's the new one. I did plan to just match them all up. Two whites going to the white, two blacks going to the black, but I'm not quite sure. Anyway, I'm sure somebody will get a kick out of this. Enjoy.